Have you ever done a focus wheel and still couldn't find a better feeling thought? That was me. For years, I studied Abraham Hicks obsessively. I found the structure underneath the teachings. I rebuilt the emotional scale into 7 stages. I turned them into workouts. And then I found a final piece. Music.
I want to say I use this beat to share my feeling. I must admit I feel despair. They say admitting my emotion will put an end to all commotion and move somewhere. So I admit it hurts like hell. I don't have strength to even yell. Take off these fetters. But from the bottom where I lie, there's only one way up to fly. I'm feeling better. I'm still frustrated, but a little less. I celebrate my small progress, my rising pride. I think I've got a secret tool. It's in my mind and very cool, my inner guide. If I feel bad, I see I ought to find a better feeling. Thought I'm getting wise. It would be nice instead of pressing. Life would be full of love and blessings. Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice if things, of course, started to work out for me? No force. Wouldn't it be nice if my life got easy? Wouldn't it be nice if my bank got busy? Money would flow in a great amount. People would treat me as paramount.
Every word you just heard was written personally, by hand, for that exact emotional journey. This is what I call Guided Lyrical Experience. 7 stages, red to violet. You can see exactly where you are and where you are going.
I'm feeling good, yeah, pretty good. Well, good enough, sure, real good. And now what? What can I do to feeling better? Can I find a line in letters? A better thought. My mind is focused on good. Unlike most folks, I should reach feeling greater. To look up high, to train my mind, to find right words and to remind that I'm creator. That I'm creator of my thoughts. My world is made of mighty words. In what I do, I'm never wrong, 'cause I'm not done to write my song. I open my heart, I open myself, I throw off my blinders, remove my shell, and tune my cortex. I'm here to dance, to rock and roll, to take my chance, to spin and twirl in the magic vortex. I am in love with song and dance. 2 steps, retire and advance. That's lovey-dovey. I'm having fun. I love to play with stars in the sky and rainbow rays. I so much love it. Hey, hey, hey. I so much love it to admire the beauty that's in ice and fire.
Right now, I'm personally writing lyrical pieces for people who ask. It's free. The link is below. There is also a full personalized journey. And for those who want to go deep, I work one-on-one. If the focus wheel ever moved you, you know what this is. I just made it guided and musical and yours to keep.
To find a better feeling.